Ever find yourself tossing and turning at night, unable to get restful sleep, or waking up feeling sluggish and unwell? You're not alone. Many of us deal with poor digestion, weak immunity, and trouble unwinding after a long day. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural solution that could help? Drinking clove water at night may be just the fix you've been looking for. Here's why. Cloves are packed with antioxidants and antibacterial properties that can calm your body, boost your metabolism, and support digestion. When you sip on clove water before bed, it works overnight to ease inflammation, improve your immune response, and even regulate blood sugar levels, setting the stage for a night of restorative sleep. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, with fewer digestive issues and stronger immunity. Here's a breakdown of the incredible benefits of clove water and clove oil. Before we continue, remember that this video is for educational purposes only and is no substitute for professional health advice. Clove oil for pain relief. Have chronic aches or soreness? Clove oil is a potent analgesic. Thanks to eugenol, its active ingredient, clove oil can help numb pain, making it an effective remedy for toothaches, headaches, and even muscle pain. Apply a diluted mix directly to the affected area, and you'll feel relief almost instantly. Clove for fungal infections. Struggling with fungal infections like athlete's foot or candida? Clove oil's antifungal properties make it a natural solution for these persistent issues. Simply dab a small amount onto the area, and its powerful antifungal agents work to kill off harmful fungi. How to use clove oil for pain relief. Dilute clove oil with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. You can apply it topically for muscle aches or use it for oral issues like tooth pain. Just ensure not to use undiluted clove oil directly on your skin, as it's quite strong. Clove water for better sleep. Drinking clove water before bed works wonders for your sleep cycle. The antioxidants in cloves soothe your nervous system, promoting relaxation and deeper, more restorative sleep. You'll wake up feeling more refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Clove water for detox. Your body is constantly exposed to toxins from food, air, and the environment. Clove water helps your body detox naturally by flushing out harmful substances and supporting liver function. Regular detoxing with clove water can help you feel lighter, energized, and mentally clear. If you are enjoying, please don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health content. Moving on. Clove water for digestion. Suffering from bloating, indigestion, or a sluggish gut? Clove water can help. The compounds in cloves stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, allowing your body to break down food more efficiently. Regular consumption reduces discomfort and improves gut health. Clove water for cognitive function. Clove water isn't just about your body, it's great for your brain too. The antioxidants in cloves fight oxidative stress, which can affect your memory and concentration. By adding clove water to your routine, you may experience sharper focus and better cognitive function over time. Clove water for the immune system. Clove water's antibacterial and antiviral properties make it a potent immune booster. Regular consumption can strengthen your body's defenses against common illnesses like colds and flu. It's an easy way to keep your immune system on high alert. May improve liver health. According to Healthline, a 2022 animal study trusted source found that clove extract improved liver damage caused by the toxic substance thioacetamide. In particular, the compound eugenol may be trusted source especially beneficial for the liver. However, there isn't enough research showing the benefit of cloves for liver health in humans, and high doses can actually damage trusted source liver. Can kill bacteria. According to PubMed, cloves have been shown trusted source to have antimicrobial properties, meaning they can help stop the growth of microorganisms like bacteria. What's more, in combination with regular brushing and proper oral hygiene, the antibacterial effects of cloves may even benefit your oral health. How to make clove water. A simple recipe. Making clove water is super simple. All you need are 1 teaspoon of whole cloves, 1 cup of hot water. Steps: 1. Boil the water and pour it over the cloves. 2. Let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes to release the active compounds. 3. Strain the cloves out and sip slowly before bed. Testimonials. I've struggled with bloating and indigestion for years, and clove water has been a game changer for me. I feel so much more comfortable after meals, and my energy levels have increased. Sarah M. Clove oil is now my go-to for tooth pain. I was skeptical at first, but after applying it a few times, the pain subsided almost immediately. It's amazing, James P. Drinking clove water every night has drastically improved my sleep. I wake up feeling refreshed and no longer toss and turn for hours, Melissa R. This isn't just about better sleep or gut health. Clove water's ability to detoxify your system and fight off harmful bacteria may even have long-term benefits for your heart and skin. Try it for a week and see how you feel, bet you'll be hooked. Stick with clove water for a week or two, and you'll likely notice the difference. Its cumulative benefits, from detox to better sleep, build over time, helping you live a healthier, more vibrant life. This isn't just about better sleep or gut health. Clove water's ability to detoxify your system and fight off harmful bacteria may even have long-term benefits for your heart and skin. Try it for a week and see how you feel, bet you'll be hooked. Join the conversation. Have you tried clove water or clove oil? Drop a comment below and share your experience, we'd love to hear from you. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on natural remedies and wellness hacks. Let's keep the healthy vibes going. Side effects of cloves. Cloves pack a powerful flavor. They're generally safe to use as a spice, but you may want to keep these things in mind. Drug interactions. Eugenol can sometimes interact with certain drugs, such as the blood thinner warfarin. If you're taking this medication, it's best to avoid clove oil and clove tea. Small amounts of cloves as spice should be safe. Hypoglycemia. This is when your blood sugar levels drop too low. If you have diabetes, the eugenol in cloves can help lower blood glucose to safe levels. But too much clove can cause hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, which can be harmful. Essential oil toxicity. Clove essential oil has a lot more eugenol than whole or ground cloves do. Swallowing pure clove oil can be toxic and make you dizzy or cause other symptoms.